In today's video, we're diving into Scalenut's Cruise Mode and how to craft the perfect SEO optimized blog post or product description. The process can be daunting, time-consuming, and let's just face it, a bit overwhelming. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley Roberts, and today we're diving into a tool that's transforming the way we approach content creation, and that is Scalenut's Cruise Mode. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this feature promises to streamline your workflow and elevate your content strategy. So what exactly is Scalenut's Cruise Mode? So Scalenut's Cruise Mode is an AI-powered content creation tool designed to generate SEO-friendly, human-like content in under 5 minutes. It's not just about speed, it's about producing quality content that resonates with your audience and ranks well on search engines. Think of it like your personal content assistant, guiding you through the process of creating blog posts, product descriptions, and more, all optimized for SEO and tailored to your brand's voice. Before we get into the demo, I want to talk about some of the key features that you can expect. So first off, they've got a guided workflow. So Cruise Mode offers a structured step-by-step process that simplifies content creation. From entering your target keyword to selecting your desired tone of voice, the tool ensures that every piece of content aligns with your objectives. Imagine you're a freelancer writer tasked with creating a blog post on the benefits of remote work. With Cruise Mode, you input your keyword, choose a tone, and the tool guides you through creating an outline, drafting content, and optimizing for SEO all within minutes. Number 2 is SERP-based outlines. So Cruise Mode analyzes top-ranking pages for your chosen keywords, providing you with a competitive edge. By understanding what works for others, you can craft content that not only matches but surpasses existing standards. For example, if you're writing about healthy meal prep ideas, Cruise Mode examines the top 30 search results, identifies common headings and subtopics, and suggests an outline that covers these areas, ensuring your content is comprehensive and competitive. Number 3 is natural language processing. So NLP integration ensures that your content includes relevant key terms, enhancing its SEO value. This means better visibility and higher rankings on search engines. So if you're creating an article on digital marketing strategies, Cruise Mode identifies related terms like SEO, content marketing, and social media campaigns, integrating them seamlessly into your content to boost SEO performance. Number 4 is brand tone customization. So maintaining a consistent brand voice is crucial. Cruise Mode allows you to set and maintain that desired tone, ensuring that all content aligns with your brand personality. A tech startup aiming for a friendly and approachable tone can set this preference in Cruise Mode. The AI then crafts content that reflects the tone, making complex topics more accessible to their audience. Number 5 is AI-generated images. So you can enhance your content with contextual visuals, choosing from various styles, including digital art, photorealistic images, and more to complement your written content. While writing a blog post on top travel destinations, Cruise Mode can generate relevant images such as scenic landscapes or cultural landmarks to enrich the reader's experience. Number 6 is SEO Score and Fix-It module. Cruise Mode provides an SEO score that evaluates your content's optimization level. The Fix-It module offers actionable suggestions to improve areas like keyword density, meta tags, and internal linking. After dropping an article on e-commerce trends, you notice an SEO score of 70. Using the Fix-It module, you can adjust headings, add relevant keywords, and optimize meta descriptions, boosting the score to 90 and enhancing search engine visibility. Number 7 is Cruise AI editing tools. So beyond initial content generation, Cruise Mode offers tools to refine your writing. You can expand, shorten, rephrase, or simplify sections to better suit your audience's needs. For example, if a paragraph explaining blockchain technology is too technical, you can use the simplify function to make it more digestible for readers unfamiliar with the concept. Number 8 is content export and integration. Once your content is polished, Cruise Mode allows you to export it directly to various platforms or download it in multiple formats, streamlining the publishing process. For example, after finalizing a blog post, you can export it directly to your WordPress site, saving time and ensuring consistency across platforms. Number 9 is plagiarism-free content. So Cruise Mode ensures that the content generated is original and free from plagiarism, maintaining your brand's integrity and avoiding potential SEO penalties. For example, when creating multiple product descriptions for an online store, Cruise Mode generates unique content for each of them, preventing duplicate content issues. Number 10 is time efficiency. And one of the most standout features of Cruise Mode is its ability to produce high-quality, SEO-optimized content rapidly, significantly reducing the time spent on content creation. A digital marketing agency can use Cruise Mode to generate multiple client blog posts in a single afternoon, increasing productivity and allowing more time for strategy development. So if you want to follow along with the demo, I've left our exclusive link in the description below. So once you click that link, you actually can try for free. So you want to click there and then you will go ahead and be logged in. Here's the navigation on the left. So we've got dashboard, we've got article writer, we've got content optimizer, we've got keyword planner, traffic analyzer, content audit, link manager, detect and humanize, and on page pro. We're going to go to the article writer, which is cruise mode. We'll go ahead and let's just search women's weight loss under 30. We'll go ahead and click create, and it takes a few moments, but it is creating an outline for us. Cool. Now we're just going to click on it and we'll create title. Now we can go ahead and select one of the titles. So maybe it's 12 science-backed ways for women's weight loss under 30. Go ahead and create outline. Okay, amazing. So now we've got everything in the outline. So we've got the key highlights, the introduction, the 12 science-backed ways for women's weight loss under 30. So then we've got each of the highlights. So prioritize protein, embrace strength training and resistance workouts, focus on whole foods, etc. And then there's also frequently asked questions. You also can write your own right here or add AI suggestions. And then if you want to go ahead and generate more, you can do that as well right here. And you also can ask for more questions. Maybe we want to add that. Maybe we want to add that. Okay. So now if you want to look at the top ranked outlines, you also can look at questions right here. But if we are happy with this, or if you want to add a CTA, you can say maybe you want to do a freebie. So you can sign up. Now it's going to create the article and it will take a few minutes. So that will take a few minutes, but I just wanted to show you what a finished one looks like while we're waiting. So then it even generated this AI image. We've got the highlights, we've got the introduction, we've got all of the features that we're going to be talking about, and then we've also got frequently asked questions. So over here you can see this is where you're going to optimize. Okay, so key terms, it says all good, which is great. URLs are all good, which is great. Featured snippet is great. H1 heading is great. But now we've got a few issues here. So here you can see there are 2 issues found. So the links, some of the headings. So it says following key terms should be present in H2 to H6 headings. Okay, so you can fix that over here. And then content depth issues as well. So here you can see the total word count is great, but the current bold word count is 0. So we'd want to go in here and maybe bold some stuff and go in here and look at the keyword density as well. That way you can get this to at least close to 100% score. And here you can even see too, the average score among competitors is only 48 and the top score is 81. So even if you are not fully at 100, but you get above an 82, you are going to be golden. So you also can look at the brief. Okay, so this is the outline right here. You can see the suggested amount of images, the word count, the heading. You also can look at gaps and gains. So here you can see there's a gap right here where it says dietary strategies and practical eating tips for women. So it's saying to add that section, sleep, stress, and mental well-being. So you can add any of those. And then a gain is weight loss for women under 40. Okay, so here is everything that you can take a look at. Missing topics, and then research. As you can see, the usage key term is healthy weight. Okay, you also can look at your competitors. You can look at questions, which is huge. You also can look at stats, and you can also look at a detailed report. So there's so much information in here to make your blog post super SEO friendly so you can get discovered easier. Let's go ahead and see if this other one. Okay, now we've got this one good to go. So now it has generated the article. So now we can go ahead and export to editor. Now here you can see we are already at a 78 over 100, which is huge. The first one I did was like a 56. So here you can see improve SEO score by fixing the terms. So we can go ahead and click fix it and it will automatically fix it for you. So we can go ahead and click accept. We can accept all of these if we would like, or just some of them, whatever. Now we're already at an 83. Top score is 82. So this is pretty dang good. So then we got a URL. So we can go ahead and fix that. I just love how easy it is to just click fix. Okay, good to go. Same with here. You can go ahead and add some of these in different heading sizes, content depth, and keyword density. You can kind of take a look at as well. Okay, now you've got a fully functioning article. Now what you can do is go ahead and export as doc, HTML, Markdown, PDF. You also can connect your WordPress so you can just automatically have it sent there. It's very easy to use and they really take out all of the hard work for you. Okay, so now that you understand how to use cruise mode, I just wanted to talk about the couple of different pricing and plan options that they have. So right now you can actually get 60% off for life, 2 times the limits, and a 1-to-1 SEO strategy session with the co-founder and 2 user seats. So again, this is just for now. So if you are really interested in this, I would definitely jump on it. So if you pay annually, you can save 60%, and then monthly is the normal price. So I'm going to go over the annual plans, but just know you can also do monthly. It's just you're not going to save as much. So with the essential plan, you get 10 articles per month to create ready to rank humanized articles and 10 articles a month to humanize existing articles. You also get the WordPress plugin plugin, and this is just $20 per month, but again, billed annually. You also get the AI images, factual content, traffic insights, NLP key terms, etc. Next is the growth plan. You get all essential features, but you get more articles, so 60 articles a month, 60 clusters a month, and 400 pages a month to optimize your sites, and more pages per month and unlimited domains. You also get 2 team members with this as well. And this growth plan is $32 per month billed annually. Next is the pro plan, and this is $60 per month billed annually. With this, you get everything in the growth plan, but you get, again, more articles, more clusters, more pages, and you get 7 team members. Then, as you can see, there's some other advanced features as well that you can take a look at. I won't read through every single one, but if you want to check them out, use our exclusive link in the description below. I do want to note that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. If you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support so we can continue to create tutorial videos just like these. Okay, let's dive into some of the pros and cons. So first off is efficiency. You're just going to be able to quickly produce full-length, high-quality blog posts or SEO descriptions. Number 2 is the SEO optimization. So the Cruise Mode is built with search engines in mind. It doesn't just spit out generic content, it analyzes it very specifically and gives you suggestions based on what's performing well on Google. Another pro is the user-friendly interface. It's very easy and intuitive to use. Number 4 is built-in outline generators based on SERP. This is more than a generic outline builder. Cruise Mode actually looks at what's ranking well in search engines and builds your structure based on real data. Now for the cons. So first off, editing is still needed. So even though it generates impressive content very quickly, you can't just copy and paste and hit publish. You got to read through it, draft, tweak anything, and make it match your personality or style. Number 2 is there could be a learning curve for some features. So while the basic process is easy, there are more advanced features in Cruise Mode like SEO scoring, NLP optimization, and brand kit setup that might take some time to fully integrate and understand. Number 3 is it might not be ideal for extremely niche or technical topics. So if your niche is super specific, the AI might not capture the nuance that you need. So you might find yourself kind of rewriting sections and adding context or clarity a lot. Number 4 is it can't replace deep strategy or human creativity. Again, Cruise Mode is so powerful, but it's still AI. It doesn't replace your unique insights, lived experiences, or deeper brand storytelling. So should you choose Cruise Mode? If you're looking to streamline your content creation process without compromising on quality, Cruise Mode is worth the investment. It's especially beneficial for small business owners, content marketers, and anyone aiming to enhance their online presence efficiently. However, if you prefer crafting content entirely from scratch or have very niche requirements, you might find the tools offering somewhat limited. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.